Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to crochet this bubble drops flower granny square, and it's super easy to make. For this project I'm using two colors of yarn. If you like, you can use one color, and I'm using 2.6mm crochet hook. So let's start with a slip knot. Now from here work 6 chains. Now you have to do is just make a slip stitch into the first chain. So here we made a circle. From now we're gonna work into this circle. Okay, now from here work chain 3. Remember this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work 11 double crochets into this ring. So with that chain 3 you should have total 12 double crochets. So here I made 12 double crochets. Now join this row with a slip stitch into the third chain from that first chain 3. So here our first row has done. Now from here work a chain, and remember this chain is not counting as a stitch. So here you're gonna work a front post bubble petal. So now yarn over and insert the hook from front post of that chain 3. Now grab the yarn and pull through. Just repeat this more 2 times into the same space. So we are pulling through this double crochet 3 times. Now we have 7 loops in our hook. Now grab the yarn and pull through 6 loops. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. Again grab the yarn and pull through 2. So here we made a bubble drop. Now we're gonna work into the next top of double crochet here. So work 3 double crochets into that. Okay, here we made our 3 double crochets. Now yarn over, make another bubble drop into the next double crochet here. Sorry, it's a front post bubble drop. Okay, here I made a front post bubble drop. Now from here work chain 3 and work another front post bubble drop into the next double crochet. Okay, here we done our bubble drop, and this is our first corner. Now you have to work 3 double crochets into the next top of double crochet here. Now again work a front post bubble drop into the next double crochet. Hence this is the second corner. We're gonna work chain 3 and make another front post bubble drop into the next double crochet. Now again work 3 double crochets into the next top of double crochet here. Now work a front post bubble into the next double crochet. And this is the third corner, so work chain 3 and make another bubble drop into the next double crochet. Now again work 3 double crochets into the next double crochet. And last, work a front post bubble. To finish this row, work chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the top of that bubble stitch. So this is our fourth corner. Now work chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So here we done our second row. To the third row we have to change the color and insert the hook from the place where stop and make a slip stitch. Now work chain 3 and this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now you have to work a double crochet into the next top of double crochet here. Now work chain 1 and skip 1 double crochet down there and work a double crochet into the next one. Now work a double crochet top of that front post bubble. So here we're going to work into the corners. For this place I'm going to work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets into the same space. Now here work another double crochet into that top of bubble. And continue work to the next space. So in this place we're going to skip 1 double crochet. So work chain 1 and make a double crochet into the next one, top of the next double crochet. Just continue making double crochets like this and into the corners work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. So here I done my double crochets. Now I'm going to finish this row with a slip stitch into the third chain from that first chain 3. Now work chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now I'm taking my beige color yarn and insert the hook from that top of chain 3. So this is the last row. So we're going to work single crochets. Now work chain 1 and work a single crochet into the same space. Again work a single crochet into the next top of double crochet. Now in this place we're going to work a front post bubble into that double crochet that we skipped from down over there. Okay, here we made our first front post bubble. Now just work a single crochet into that top of double crochet and continue work 3 more single crochets in a row. Now here we reach to the corner. Into this corner we're going to work 5 single crochets. Now continue work 4 more single crochets, top of that 4 double crochets. This place again we're going to work a front post bubble, so work a front post bubble into that double crochet that we skipped from down there. All you have to do is just continue like this till the end, and let's meet at the end. So here I reached the end of this row. Now make a slip stitch into that top of first single crochet, and now work chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So here we done our bubble drops flower granny square. I hope you like this video, and if you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. In my future videos I'll show you how to join these squares together, so stay tuned and thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Until that, take care. Bye bye.